Welcome to EDU Enviro, your home for exploring the most fascinating science facts about the universe and Earth, nature, and ourselves. Today, we will uncover 100 incredible truths that will expand your mind and fill you with wonder. From distant galaxies to the tiniest creatures, science shows us just how amazing reality can be. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this journey through knowledge. Fact 1. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old, yet it is still expanding today. Fact 2. There are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Fact 3. The Milky Way galaxy contains up to 400 billion stars. Fact 4. If you could count every star, the total would outnumber every grain of sand on all Earth's beaches. Fact 5. Light travels at 186,000 miles per second. Fact 6. It takes 8 minutes for sunlight to reach Earth. Fact 7. The sun is so large that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Fact 8. Uiscuti, one of the largest known stars, is more than 1,700 times the radius of the sun. Fact 9. Supernovas are exploding stars that release more energy in seconds than our sun will in its entire lifetime. Fact 10. A neutron star is so dense that a teaspoon of its matter would weigh 4 billion tons. Fact 11. Black holes are regions where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Fact 12. At the edge of a black hole, time slows down compared to an observer farther away. Fact. If Earth were crushed into a black hole, it would be smaller than a marble. Fact 14. Some black holes merge, creating ripples in space-time called gravitational waves. Fact 15. There are rogue planets floating in the darkness of space without orbiting a star. Fact 16. Astronomers have found exoplanet that rain molten glass sideways due to violent winds. Fact 17. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured light from galaxies that formed only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Fact 18. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe, yet it is invisible and undetectable by normal means. Fact 19. Dark energy is believed to make up about 68% of the universe, driving its accelerated expansion. Fact 20. That means everything we can see, including stars, planets, and people, is only about 5% of the universe. Fact 21. On Neptune and Uranus, it is believed to rain diamonds due to intense pressure. Fact 22. Venus is hotter than Mercury, with surface temperatures above 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Fact 23. A day on Venus lasts longer than a year. Fact 24. Saturn's moon Titan has lakes made of liquid methane and ethane. Fact 25. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm larger than Earth that has lasted for centuries. Fact 26. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, may have an ocean beneath its icy surface that could support life. Fact 27. Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, ejects water plumes into space from beneath its icy crust. Fact 28. On a planet named HD 1897333b, winds reach over 5,000 miles per hour. Fact 29. Some planets, called super-Earths, are rocky worlds much larger than Earth. Fact 30. WASP 12b is a planet being stretched apart by its star's gravity. Fact 31. Kepler 452b is an Earth-sized planet in a habitable zone. Fact 32. Some exoplanet orbit so close to their stars that their years last only a few hours. Fact 33. There are planets called hot Jupiters that are so close to their stars they are glowing. Fact 34. A planet named Tres-2b is the darkest ever discovered, reflecting less than 1% of the light that hits it. Fact 35. Mercury shrinks as its iron core cools, making it smaller over time. Fact 36. Earth is 4.5 billion years old. Fact 37. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain above sea level, but Mauna Kea is taller from base to peak when measured underwater. Fact 38. The deepest part of Earth's oceans is the Mariana Trench, almost 7 miles deep. Fact 39. Lightning strikes Earth about 8 million times per day. Fact 40. A single bolt of lightning can reach temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. Fact 41. Earthquakes can permanently change Earth's rotation. Fact 42. Volcanoes release gases that can cool or warm the climate. Fact 43. The eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815 caused the year without a summer. Fact 44. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth, with temperatures dropping below -120 degrees Fahrenheit. Fact 45. Antarctica holds about 60% of Earth's fresh water locked in ice. Fact 46. If all ice melted, sea levels would rise by more than 200 feet. Fact 47. The Sahara Desert was once a lush, green landscape, thousands of years ago. Fact 48. Earth's magnetic field is slowly moving, and sometimes it completely flips. Fact 49. Hurricanes release more energy than the world's nuclear weapons combined. Fact 50. A single cloud can weigh more than 1 million pounds. Fact 51. Oceans cover over 70% of Earth's surface. Fact 52. Less than 5% of the ocean has been explored. Fact 53. More people have visited the moon than the deepest parts of the ocean. Fact 54. Bioluminescence is the ability of animals to produce light. Fact 55. The immortal jellyfish can reset its cells and essentially live forever. Fact 56. Giant squids can grow longer than 40 feet. Fact 57. Blue whales are the largest animals to ever exist, reaching 100 feet in length. Fact 58. Whale songs can travel for hundreds of miles underwater. Fact 59. Coral reefs support about 1/4 of all ocean life. Fact 60. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure on Earth. Fact 61. Sharks have existed for more than 400 million years. Fact 62. Dolphins have unique names for each other, recognized through whistles. Fact 63. Octopuses can solve puzzles and use tools. Fact 64. Some fish can walk on land, such as the mudskipper. Fact 65. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to avoid drifting apart. Fact 66. There are about 8.7 million species on Earth. Fact 67. Scientists have formally identified only about 1.2 million species. Fact 68. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, can survive the vacuum of space. Fact 69. Bacteria outnumber human cells in the body. Fact 70. Ants can carry objects 50 times their body weight. Fact 71. Cheetahs can sprint at 70 miles per hour. Fact 72. The peregrine falcon can dive at over 200 miles per hour. Fact 73. Some frogs can survive being frozen solid and then thaw back to life. Fact 74. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins, up to 40 minutes. Fact 75. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Fact 76. Koalas have fingerprints nearly identical to human fingerprints. Fact 77. Some mushrooms glow in the dark. Fact 78. Trees can communicate with each other through underground fungi networks. Fact 79. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants, capable of growing nearly 3 feet in one day. Fact 80. The Amazon rainforest produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. Fact 81. The human heart beats about 100,000 times per day. Fact 82. Over a lifetime, the heart will beat more than 3 billion times. Fact 83. The human brain contains about 86 billion neurons. Fact 84. Electrical signals in the brain can travel at over 200 miles per hour. Fact 85. The skin is the body's largest organ, covering about 22 square feet. Fact 86. The stomach produces new lining every few days to avoid being digested. Fact 87. Your body produces 25 million new cells every second. Fact 88. The human eye can detect about 10 million colors. Fact 89. Red blood cells circulate through the entire body in less than 30 seconds. Fact 90. The DNA in a single human body could stretch to the sun and back over 600 times. Fact 91. Each person shares about 99.9% of their DNA with every other human. Fact 92. Your bones are stronger than steel by weight. Fact 93. Fingernails grow faster on your dominant hand. Fact 94. The tongue is made of 8 interwoven muscles. Fact 95. Babies are born with about 300 bones, but many fuse, leaving adults with 206. Fact 96. Time passes slower near strong gravity. Fact 97. GPS satellites must account for time differences caused by relativity. Fact 98. A day on Earth is slowly lengthening due to tidal forces. Fact 99. The moon moves away from Earth about 1.5 inches every year. Fact 100. Neutron stars can spin hundreds of times per second. From the deepest oceans to the farthest galaxies, these 150 facts remind us that science is not just knowledge. It is wonder, mystery, and discovery. Thank you for joining edu and Viro on this journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay curious for our next adventure.